Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you easy ways to make your home look and feel more luxurious. High end and expensive, but I am always doing it on a budget. I find it exciting and thrilling to be able to create amazing specs without breaking the bank. So I am sharing all my little designer hacks with you today so you can create the same look in your home. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. I am Jim, interior design and home decor expert. I am sharing all of my interior tips and tricks with you to help transform your house into the home of your dreams through DIY projects. Affordable home and decor styling tips and home organization. If I can do it, you can too. Let's make our homes look and feel their best. Alright, so let's jump right into paint colors because that's usually where people start when it comes to recording, to redoing a space or freshening up their home. If you stick with a neutral color palette, white walls, you will end up with a more high and luxurious looking space. It will give you a flexibility to add different colors and textures with rugs and furniture and decor. I love using warm white paint. I think it gives a cozy, luxurious look to your walls, and you can accent it with a crisp white for all of your trim doors. And modeling white paint is absolutely timeless. It will brighten up your home, it will make it look new and fresh, and it will definitely make it look lot bigger. White is sometimes tricky to pick since there's so much variation, but I really love Simply White by Benjamin Moore. I love Gently Lace by Benjamin Moore. These are nice, creamy, warm white, as well as Swiss Coffee by Beer and Ultra Pure White by Beer. If you are looking for the whitest of white, I would say it's Ultra Pure White, and that's also the perfect paint to use for trim, modeling, and doors. So, if you are looking to make one change to your home, if you have all baggy walls or multicolored walls around your home, paint them a nice warm white and you will see such a huge difference. Every time you see a beautiful designer space, it's always very well style, and you can create that exact same look in your homeland. It doesn't need to cost a lot. Every time I am styling surfaces around my home, I am usually using trusted decor from Target, IKEA home goods. None of it's costly at all. It doesn't really matter what you are going using to style your space, how much it costs. It all about how you place it, and I think the best rule to follow is the rule of tree. Use items that are different sizes, shapes, color, and textures, and group them together in groups of three that will give you a dynamic angles and layers and really create a easy style space. If you have a vase with stems going really high, have something kind of following lower, and then throw in a deco piece that's in between, that will give you that designer look no matter what you reusing to decorate with, and when you restyling those three pieces. think about what they are. I like using a plant, whether that be stems, dried flowers, real flowers, or greenery. I also love to use something that has texture and warmth, like a basket or a woven tray. And then I love using a ceramic that adds a really cool architecture shape. It also adds a lot of texture as well as. So again, don't waste your money on expensive decor. Buy the affordable decor and style like a designer. Now on onto a tiny little detail that I think a lot of you already are doing, and that is matching dishes. When you open up your cabinets and you see a bunch of different colors, sizes, and different material of dishes, it just looks messy. It looks a little cheap, and it's not giving a high end experience or look. So one easy change you can make is get matching dishes. They don't have to be expensive dishes. You can actually thrift entire sets at the thrift store, but as long as they are matching, you will have a more luxurious looking kitchen, whether you have clothes cabinets or open shelving. So again, it's not about spending a lots of money on dishes and getting the most expensive ones. You can go for the most simple affordable dishes that are matching. You and your kitchen will look a million times better. Now let's talk about furniture, specifically furniture layouts. There are something about a put together space with a good furniture layout. If you have furniture pushed against against the walls and not really organized in a way for conversation and focal points and creating an experience, your space will just not give off that high and luxurious feel. Be creative with your furniture layout. It's sometime that can always be changed up and move around in your home. It's not permanent, and it's really fun to play with. I would say that same thing goes for your bedroom. Try and make it symmetrically, try and make it balanced and open. Have your bed be the first thing you see when you walk. It don't have it pushed into the corner of the room. Create a symmetrical beautiful space, kind of like a hotel. It's not always about buying the most beautiful expensive furniture pieces. It's actually about how you set them up and how you style them. Now, you may notice when you walk into the gorgeous hotels or even designer stores, they have a scent to them. And I think scent matters when you are walking into someone's home and it smell a little musty, or just maybe doesn't even smell like anything. It doesn't create that homey experience that you may be looking for. I love using scent as another element of the design of my home to really add a good experience. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Bye. Take care.